Unlock the meaning of empty one's wallet. Hello and welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might have heard in English conversations: empty one's wallet. Understanding this phrase is not just about the words, but the cultural and situational context behind it. Stay tuned as we explore its meaning, usage, and some interesting examples. Whether you're learning English or just love exploring phrases, this video is for you. Empty one's wallet is an idiomatic expression in English. At its core, it refers to spending a lot of money on something. This phrase vividly evokes the image of taking out all the money from one's wallet, leaving it empty. It's not just about spending. It's about spending to the point where one has little to no money left. It's important to note that this expression is often used figuratively rather than literally, highlighting significant expenditure rather than actually emptying one's wallet. This phrase can be used in a variety of contexts, from casual conversations to more formal discussions about finances. Here are some examples. 1. After shopping, I completely emptied my wallet at the mall today. So many sales. 2. Talking about expensive events or services. That wedding really emptied my wallet, but it was worth it. 3. Describing a costly hobby or interest. Photography has really emptied my wallet, but I love it. When using this phrase, it's usually to convey a sense of regret or astonishment at how much money has been spent, although it can sometimes express a sense of satisfaction for the value received in return. In different English-speaking cultures, the phrase might come with slight variations or be understood with varying degrees of seriousness. For instance, saying this in a country known for its frugality might be taken more seriously than in a more spendthrift culture. Additionally, similar expressions like breaking the bank or spending an arm and a leg convey similar meanings but with their own unique twists. We hope this video has helped you understand what it means to empty one's wallet and how you can use this phrase in your English conversations. Remember, idiomatic expressions like this one are a great way to add color and depth to your language skills. They can help you express complex ideas and emotions in a simple and relatable way. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice using empty one's wallet in your own sentences. See you in the next video.